Recreational activities are good for you. Competition shooting is one of the activities you can engage in if you're enthusiastic about guns or just want to do something enjoyable. Competition handguns come either custom or semi-custom, and while some pistols can serve as competition pistols, some are specially wired for the task. Pistols are more convenient to carry during competition, with semi-auto pistols being the most commonly used type. So, if you're looking to enter into competition shooting but have no clue which pistols to serve you, or you're looking to purchase a pistol you can shoot out on the range that will give you the experience of competition shooting, or you're just an enthusiast who wants to acquire more knowledge, this video will be your guide. We'll show you the top 8 competition pistols that will blow your mind. And hang on until the end because we'll share helpful tips and fun facts about competition pistols. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for more content like this and leave us a comment or two as we move on. Okay then, let's explore. Number 1. Canik SFX Rival S. The Canik SFX Rival S has no rival, it is the rival. Every single thing about this pistol is to die for. Do we talk about the ambidextrous control, or do we talk about its undercut trigger guard? The Canik SFX Rival is made of steel and weighs about 43 ounces unloaded. Its magazine capacity is 18 rounds and the slide release is way to access. The ergonomics is something to talk about. Not only is the Rival S unrivaled in performance, its design is enticing. You just want to take a hold of it. Its front strap is checkered and the grip is interchangeable to suit your preference. It comes optics ready with optics plates, installed competition magwell, and 3 different options you can pick from. Canik is one of the big boys in the game, and not according to its well-deserved respect is to jeopardize your chance at a splendid competition shooting. Okay, now on to number 2. We saved the best for last, CZ FS2. To my CZ fans, what do you say we get a bottle of wine and sip while we let the newbies taste the goodness of the CZ FS2? If you want to up your game, it's no hype that the CZ FS2 is the one for you. Made of an aluminum frame and steel grip, it's literally a handful. It weighs about 48.5 ounces, but hold up, that heavy weight soaks up the recoil and gives the pistol high stability. Chambered in 9mm, it holds 20 rounds and there's a great weight balance across the gun. The low bore axis, super light trigger, ambidextrous safety, and ergonomic design put it at an undeniable spot at the top. Its fiber optics front sight and the serrated fixed rear sight are just the type you need to hit the bullseye. Accuracy, reliability, and consistency are indisputable. Number 3. Staccato XC. Talk about pistols with all the extra features that make them flashy, and the Staccato XC stands as the squad leader. Chambered in 9mm, it comes with compensators, a suppressor, red dot sights optics fitted on it, and a 17-round magazine. The Staccato XC is a fantastic competition pistol and a good defense gun that can do pretty much anything you demand of a high-standard pistol. Its ergonomic design is outstanding. The black finish gives it a classy look. A feature I find pretty impressive is the ambidextrous manual safety. So, whether you're left-handed, right-handed, or ambidextrous, you'll find the Staccato XC handy. Accuracy? Check. Reliability? Check. Trigger pull? Smooth and seamless? Check, check. You seriously can't go wrong with the Staccato XC. If you've watched the video till this point, good job. I admire your patience. Now here's the bonus tip I mentioned earlier. When choosing a competition pistol, care less about its looks and focus on its feel. Look out for the sights available on it, feel the trigger pull, and test all the options available to you. What matters more than having a pistol in your hand is how it actually feels and behaves when you handle it. So take your time and explore. And for a fun fact, shooting is one of the oldest Olympic sports, and it's a test of marksmanship skill across various disciplines. Pretty amazing, wouldn't you think? Number 4. CZ Shadow 2. If you've shot the CZ75 before, take all of its capabilities, double it, and you have the CZ Shadow 2. It's chambered in 9mm and is an improved version of the CZ75 with a 4.9-inch barrel. It's made of a steel frame that manages its recoil and reduces it to an almost unnoticeable extent. It's optics ready with standard sights available. It possesses a beaver tail and a full-length frame rail. The CZ Shadow 2 ranks number 4 because let's be real, you can't have a competition pistols list and not put CZ Shadow 2 on it when it has such a crazy level of accuracy and reliability. The checkered front strap provides enough space for hands to get good aim and fire a great shot. Let's not leave out the crisp trigger and consistent trigger pull. The Shadow 2 Compact is an immense addition to any shooter who means business. Number 5. Beretta 92X Performance. Beretta also makes great pistols, and it would rather be a shock if there isn't a single Beretta pistol on this list. When you talk about fantastic design and intentionality, who else does it better than Beretta, I ask you? The Beretta 92X is a steel-framed 9mm pistol that commands attention because of its ergonomic design and enhanced performance. Is it highly durable and rugged to the touch? You bet it is. It holds a 15-round magazine with cool rubber-based pads. The grip is thin and comfortable, but you have options to pick from if you want a thicker grip. Weighing about 42 ounces unloaded, it possesses increased stability and reduced muzzle flip due to its weight. The extended beaver tail allows for a higher grip on the pistol. It's optics ready and has black rear sights adjustable for windage and elevation. This is a suitable choice for anyone who loves a great shoot. Number 6. Walther PDP Match. It's a known and rather indisputable fact that Walther has got some great pistols that are really hard to ignore. The PDP Match is a modified version of the Walther PPQ, taking everything it possesses and turning it into a superpower. The Walther PDP is a polymer-framed striker-fired semi-auto pistol that's also available in a steel frame. It's a full-sized 9mm pistol designed to be competition-ready. Like all competition pistols should be, it's optics ready, has a 5-inch barrel, and comes with an extended 20-round magazine. Although it comes in both polymer and steel frames, the performance of the Walther PDP Match is unaffected by the materials. Its accuracy and efficiency level remain top-notch. It even comes at a price that won't make a hole in your pocket if you're on a budget. Well guys, we've come to the end of our mind-blowing exploration. We hope you enjoyed it. Please share your thoughts with us respectfully in the comments section below. Also, remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to be a part of our community. Thanks a lot for watching, and happy shooting!